Hello everyone, my name is Kadi. I am currently in bed still. It is like 8:30 something. Still in bed. I don't have work, so that's awesome. Today's Wednesday. I don't have work today or tomorrow, so it's nice. The turtles are going crazy because they're happy. But today, what I want to do for myself, I first want to take a shower. I'm gonna take a shower, and then I'm going to wait. It's 8:30, so I'm going to prepare for my trading session today, and I may or may not record that live. I don't know. I don't think I will. I don't know. We'll see. But that's definitely on my radar. I'm kind of hungry, so definitely today. I want to cook the pasta that I was supposed to cook like 2 days ago. I put the chicken out. It's in the fridge, so I see myself doing that today. But today is gonna be an editing day mainly. Of course, like I mentioned, I do have my trading in the morning, but today I'm gonna be editing some reels for the street interview channel that I have, and I want to create like thumbnails for this channel. Like I have just been posting videos, but I have not been like making thumbnails for them. So I'm going back to all the videos that I have scheduled and kind of making thumbnails, like quick and easy thumbnails that I can do. And so, I want to continue doing that. So yeah, it's going to be like an editing day. It's going to be just making content or editing content. I don't feel like editing like full footage, so I have street interviews that we have, and I'm so lazy right now. Like, at least not today. I can see myself doing that tomorrow, but today is like my first vacation day, so I kind of want to like do work for sure, but then not have like a heavy workload just for today. So yeah, so I'm going to take a shower, and then we'll get started on the rest of the shit. I gotta feed the turtles, of course. Always feed the turtles. Okay. Okay, so I just got out the shower. It's currently 9:01. I need to get changed, and then we'll hit the markets. Oh, I need to feed the turtles, but we'll see. I mean, they're gonna get fed, but like after everything. Let me get changed first, and then yeah. Okay, so I haven't got to the chart, like my own trading view. It's Ninja Trader chart, but this is just my trading view account. I just took a trade setup. The setup is right here, as you can see. So that was the trade right there, and it hit TP in one candle. Hold on, let me show you the stat. Show you the statski. Paper trading. And so that was the trade that just hit TP. So it's 9:11. That trade hit at 9:10. So it was, yeah, bummer that I didn't take this on the Ninja Trader account. I just wasn't, I'm still getting ready. So, but I just wanted to show you that. All right, so it's currently 9:16. I have the charts up. The turtles have not been fed yet. So yeah, I'm looking at this. I'm like, what should I do? Hold on. So this is on the So this is on the 2-minute. Price is currently bullish. I have my shit inverted because I see buys better. So in any market, I always have it inverted to make it look like we're buying, even though we're selling. If we look on the 10-minute, I'm like seeing this, and I like what I see. The only thing that I would be cautious about is like that area. Oh shit, my bad. That area right there on the 10-minute previously, just seeing this. But other than that, like, I'm not really focused. This is me training me, or talking about like me. I'm not really focused on this, even though that is like it's the demand zone. It's just I don't know. I'm not really focused on it. This is the 2-minute. That's the 10-minute that we was on right now. I see a potential setup as a so I'm gonna take it if it comes into my zone. Hold on, what's going on? Sell. Okay, so we have a sell limit on this order, and if I go back to trading view, the reason why I'm taking this setup is because we have a bit of a range here. So a 2-minute, right there. So I'm just looking for price to give me a little bit of a dip down and then a dip up. So we're at, so my entry should be at 478. Okay, 78. Man, it's so much easier when you have two screens. So 478. So everything is there. Everything is linked. So I have my order already prepared. So that's the only thing that I'm looking at. It's currently 9:18. So yeah, if I don't get this trade within like before 9:25, if I'm not in this trade before then, I'm just gonna exit out, because we do have 9:30. We don't have news. Hold on, let me get to that. We don't have, where is it? Forex Factory. We don't have anything like significant today. It's just a bunch of yellow folders, which is, you know, chill, low impact. So yeah, so I'm just on that. But for the meantime, I'm just gonna go and feed the turtles and have that happen. All right. Look at that. Look at that, as usual. All right. Looking at eyeing price as I do this. Feed these dang turtles. All right. Are y'all ready? Goddamn. Oh shit. Bloop. Oh shit. We got a lot of droppings. Hold on. Hold on. And then look at them. Quiet as a fucking light. You know what I mean? That one. That one. That one. This little one right there. These two guys. This one. This one. This one. That one. That one. And this one right here. Alright. Happy now? Yeah, look at them. Chilling. Absolutely chilling. Alright. Okay, so it's currently 9:22. I'm seeing price making its way up. With that, I want to, sorry, I had to pause it, but with that, I want to like update my zone to this area right here. We're at 76.50 now, so let's go back to here and let's change it. 76.50. That's what I love about TradingView. I said trading Ninja Trader, is that you can just adjust the entry and it'll keep the same kind of thing. Hold on, let me see if I can. So I just updated that level right there, just to kind of, oh, are we in? Are we in the trade? 76.50. 76.50. On TradingView it says we're in, but TradingView is a lie.
Order filled.
Oh shit. Now we're in the trade. Oh fuck. Things got a lot realer. Let's see if we can get a nice little push up and call it a day. Let's see. We have, it's 9:23. So this is a bit of a risky trade because we have little time till market open. But like, I'm gonna take that chance. I'm gonna take that risk. Why not? I see a setup, and so I'm gonna take it. Let's see if it will go in our favor or completely decimate us. But it's okay, you know. Day after day. Right now we're in some drawdown. Oh, we're in no profits, but yeah. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Sure. I don't know if I want to keep y'all here for that, or if, like, yeah, I don't know. I'll let y'all know if something happens. I don't know. Okay, so I literally just put it down and this is the little move up, but you can't get too excited when this shit happens because it'll literally be like, oh yeah, and then it'll reverse back. So I'm not even gonna be like too hairy about it. Of course, you know, you want it to win, especially because you only have so much time left until the market opens, so you just want this shit to go off. But yeah, I'll let you know. Okay, so the trade just hit TP in this move right here. I was literally coaching myself through. I was like, hey, like, you took this trade, you know, you gotta believe in yourself, you gotta trust your setups, you gotta trust your trades, and this, that, and the third. Personally, for me, I'm just not used to sitting this is kind of funny for me, silly for me to say. It seems silly for me to say because of like drawdown. Or not drawdown, just like in a move for long, and I was only in that move for like 4 minutes. But for me personally, just like with how my trades go, like that's a long time. So yeah, so we just won that trade. Let me show y'all ski. I think they have it. Well, it shows, yeah, it was $50. They took away that much in commissions. The trade took 4 minutes, and yeah, that was a setup that I would, you know, take like always. And that's one of those things that, you know, oh shit. And that's one of those things that I'm just, you know, needing to get more comfortable with. You know, I get nervous, especially like the first trade of the day. Like, you don't want it to be a loser. And that's something that I'm getting, you know, myself accustomed to with this new strategy, with how I look at the markets now, and just trying to make a good safe haven for myself in this risky and uncertain environment. And yeah, I'm just trying to find my grounding, trying to believe in myself, and, you know, deal with the losses, and, you know, walking away when I take my maximum daily loss, and, you know, just exiting out of the charts and being disciplined on that. Because I swear, bro, it's so crazy, you know, having like doing these videos and having like these journal entries, it's just changed how I felt about everything. Like, the more aware of the situation, like that's exactly where I'm at. Because, you know, talking about Wednesday or last Wednesday, and talking about the meltdown multiple times, and, you know, writing it down, talking about it, and to myself and then to you guys, it's like, it's really cemented in my head, and it's something that I don't want to go back to. You know, even if I have those feelings, like, even if I get tilted, that's perfectly normal, that's fine, but I don't want me to take another trade on that account, right? On my NinjaTrader account, if I lose 2 trades in one day, I call it a day, I exit off, and I don't click back until the next day. And if I still want to have that, if I still have that itch or urge, I can trade, but on TradingView, the demo account that I have on there, you know, I just want to have at least that kind of discipline in place. And, you know, with what happened on Wednesday, like, I see myself having less days like that, because I'm calling myself out on different platforms. So it's beautiful. It's beautiful. God damn, I was talking too much. I missed a setup. I literally missed a setup, but that's okay, because it's 9:31, so I probably wouldn't want to take that setup anyway. But I literally missed this other setup. Hold on. This setup right here. Let me see if it would have hit TP. Yeah, it would have hit TP, because I'm just looking at that. Yeah, this would have hit TP. Like, we all saw that this candle did not happen. Like, it went up first and then it went down. So this would have hit TP if I was there. But this is 9:30. Let's go into the 10-minute and see what's going on. So we got some zones right here. I mean, again, oh wait, this is the area that I was literally like, oh shit, okay. So wait, this might be crazy. That's the area. So that must be the song. Wait, no. Y'all remember Camp Rock? It'd be like, that's the song. So that must be the girl. You think? Yo, I'm kind of going so wow, crazy. The fact that I literally called that. Like, I called that out. I was like, hey, when price gets to this jump, bro, let's chill, bro. Like, let's chill. And look at that. I mean, of course, I'm no guru. Like, I don't know shit what the fuck is gonna happen at any moment. But I'm just like, yeah, that's pretty fucking cool. Something that I want to tap into, and I was just really acknowledging this previously, is that I want to get into who I am, you know, and I'm a multiple strategy type of person. So I kind of wish I took this setup right here. It's 9:33. I kind of want to take the setup right here. I'm going to take a risky 477 for a buy. Oh, fuck. I already dipped into it. I got suspended. What's that mean? Oh, fuck. Fuck. What happened? What did I do? I think I missed it again. Ah, shit. Okay, well, I don't know. Fuck, I think I missed the trade, bro. I don't know what happened. It literally was like suspended. I don't know what that means. Like for this one, like I could see it potentially coming into this zone right here and then having like maybe like a reaction. But first, I'm like, damn, like I don't know what happened. I mean, maybe I got into the move late. I'm pretty sad. I'm pretty sad about that. It was a good trade. God damn it. Okay, this is a good example of me being scared. Like I was thinking about going for this sell, but I was scared. I was genuinely scared and afraid. And now look at that, it hit TP on that move. Damn, bro. It's like one of those things where it's like, don't be scared, bro. Just take the fucking setup. But I was scared, and I can admit that. It just sucks because you see different ways to win. Oh shit, I think I'm in this trade. No. I think I set this trade, but I didn't put this trade in. There's a lot going on right now. I've never done this on a camera. Fuck! I missed another trade. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. We were so close. That's crazy. It's a lot going on, bro. I'm so glad that this is recorded. And it hit TP. Oh, my God, bro. Oh, shit. Okay, I think I'm just gonna close this trade off and just think about this. Okay, so I just took another trade. I've missed so many trades, bro. It was crazy. So I took this trade right here. It was so close to hitting stop loss, but here, and then we just took the fib level, take it 50%, half the size, so that the stop loss can be underneath the zone. And then, yeah, price hit TP on this one. I'm looking at this 10-minute right here, and I see a potential maybe 10-minute setup, potentially, depending on how price looks at it, deals with it. I'm not too sure. Just, this is on the 10-minute right now. I'm just looking at it, and I don't know if it's a good idea because price on the 10-minute just tapped into this zone, but I don't know. I'm just thinking about it. Okay, so I took another trade. This one's a little weird. Like, it looks like I got stopped out. I thought I got stopped out. The candle happened so quickly. I had my limit order over here, this area where there's a lot of wick rejections. I had it for a buy. A price in this candle, you know how it says stop filled, order filled, bro. It tapped me in. It just said order filled, and I was like, oh. Okay, so that just happened. It's currently 9:48 and this one candle hit TP, and like I don't even know, it doesn't even have it on the thing, bro. So I'm up this much for the amount. Why do they say I have 2 trades? 5, 10. I'm like literally doing the counting. I'm like, that doesn't make sense for the order or the amount that they said that I made. They only have 50, or I think it was that fat, or was there $50 right there? That's 100. So I don't know. It's weird. But yeah, funny enough, I had this setup initially, this setup right here, which if I did, it would have hit TP on that move right there. So that's interesting. So we're 3-0 on the day, up 150. This is when it's like, okay, do you want to call it quits or do you want to keep on trading? You got 3 trades in. Bounce back from yesterday's loss. Do you want to keep on trading or do you want to test your luck even some more? It's like, damn, you know, it's only 950, you know, it feels like, damn, like I just took 3 trades and you want to trade some more? Like, isn't that the worst part? Dude, I don't know what to do. It's like, I want to keep on trading because I want to make more money. That's the honest, like we're 3-0 right now, and it's like, I don't want to ruin that, but it's like, I just want to make more. And I'm getting greedy. I had 3 good trades. Now I'm looking at this trade right now. I'm like, that could work too. I'm insane. What do we think? Hold on. The real answer is I should have stopped trading because I just lost all my profits. Okay, I spoke prematurely. I didn't lose all my profits. I won that trade, but I'm done. I'm literally done for the day. Oh my God. Okay, I spoke prematurely because price literally got right the fuck there, and I was like, oh, it's about to stop me out, and I'm about to feel so bad because I just lost all of my profits, but then it did that. So hold on, I'm currently up 200 on the day. The reason I took this setup was simply because of the wicks right here. I could not deny that. I saw that and I was just like, all right, I feel like price may come down to this zone and have a reaction, and that's exactly what happened. But oh my god, was that so fucking, like, when that shit happened, it was like, ooh, yeah, like I'm done for the day, like. But I want to show you guys, but it's not, I don't know why it does this. Okay, I don't know why it's saying I took 3 trades when I took 4 trades, but they have 3 winning trades right here. Let me show you. So literally one trade, oh, I think I got some slippage, bro. One trade literally was so quick that it doesn't even have a duration, and I got 75 from it. I don't even understand that. And that's not this trade, because this trade happened at 9:54. It was one candle. It was this candle right here. So I set it up right here and like 9:52 or whatever, and then this candle right here. So I'm not too sure why it does that. So I low-key still have the itch to trade, so I'm gonna exit out of my NinjaTrader. I am. NinjaTrader, goodbye. But TradingView is still up. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna end this right here. This video is getting pretty long. I didn't intend it, but this marketing, trading stuff was just a little bit like, so I had to record it. But yeah, I still have the itch to trade, so I might just like trade on the demo account on TradingView. So yeah, but that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.